There is nothing in this concept prohibiting a more distributed version of what we perceive as consciousness. Instead of many observers experiencing separate realities as the center point of their own universe, there is but one single consciousness creating, experiencing, and influencing reality. This unified, collective consciousness encompasses all matter in all states of probability across the framework of possibility. Modern physics has yet to provide a satisfactory explanation for how billions of separate conscious entities could simultaneously create and experience the same coherent reality.